SUGP stock next week. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see where is this beautiful SU Group Holdings Limited stock going next. So we've gone up like 10% so far for last Friday's performance. And I do see a very good kind of increase in price right here and pretty much a overall range shift. So if I go to the 4 hour, yeah, you're going to see this beautiful range shift there. We're at this exact same price. So also it's a great demand area. So in this situation, we're not that volatile at all. But what I would do is just use another confirmation to try to confirm the price that we have at the moment. So what I'm pretty much going to say is if there is another like full candle close above this point, um, I'm talking about the price actually closing like this above this point on the 4 hour chart. I'll say it's actually a 2 hour chart. So if there's a full candle close above that on the 2 hour chart, then I'm bullish. So that's my opinion on it, but that confirmation needs to be met for me to be bullish. So I'm definitely going to keep you updated on that one. This is not financial advice, and check out the free course below. This is only for now and not forever, of course. We don't have that much data.